Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of this really cool gadget accessory for PlayStation 5. If you have a PlayStation 5, this is probably something you're going to want after you see this, because it's just kind of cool. It is a cooling stand, but it's multifunctional, so you also have places for two controllers and to charge them, so you dock them and charge them. Also has a place to hold a remote control as well as some games. You can see the fan has 3 speeds, so it's a cooling fan to make sure your PlayStation 5 doesn't overheat. Convenient charging and LED indicator. Flip it over to the back so you can kind of see how it works here. It is compatible with both PS5 versions, so you've got a console disc version that has a built-in disc, and then you've got the digital version, and this will accommodate either one of those. You've got the fan with 3 speeds. High speed, medium speed, low speed. Convenient charging when you dock your controllers in the controller dock. They will charge, which is nice. You also have the LED light indicator. You have storage for games back here, and then the remote controller. So let's open this guy up and take a look. And it is one solid unit, as you can see here. Does come with the manual, so there's your user manual, tell you how to use it, and also comes with a this is a screw that you use to attach through the center thing here, so that your PlayStation stays in place and no worries about that. And then you also have this Type C to USB cord that goes on there. So over here on the side, you've got the power switch to turn the fan on and off, and that's where your Type C port is. And what you're going to do is once you have your PS5 in here and you've attached it and it's in here, you plug these 2 USBs into the USB ports on the PS5, and then you plug the Type C into here. And so that's what powers this. This is getting its power from the PlayStation, from the 2 USB ports on the PS5, and that powers both the fan as well as providing power to charge the 2 controllers. And that's how that works. So let's take a look at the stand itself. Here you go. This is your cooling unit. You can see here, you've got these spots here where the cooling, so that the air can flow through there. This black part, this is like a soft rubber, sort of spongy rubber thing to both protect and also provide grip. And then you've got a nice textured finish there that your PS5 will sit on. Here in the back, you've got these great places for games. If you're buying physical games, you can store those here. You've got a place for the remote control to perfectly fit in there. And then here on the front, you've got your dock for your controllers. You can see the pins there, so that when you dock them in there, they're charging. And right there. And you can see on the bottom here, you've got these rubberized feet all around here, so that if you're putting this on in an entertainment system or sitting on a desk, wherever you put it, it'll grip so it won't slide around on you. Nice rubber feet to protect the surface as well as provide some grip. And yeah, looking at this, it's very, very simple, but I love that it's all together. It's all self-contained. You don't have to put anything together. You've got your indicators here, which will indicate when your controllers are charging. Very well made, very nice piece of equipment, and a great way to just take care of your PS5 and have it in one place, have everything in one place, and just throw your charger, your controllers on there for charging without having to worry about a bunch of different things. So really, really excellent looking product by Nexigo. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to place them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them if I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews, subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos, like this video, share this video, all that fun stuff. And also I'll have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon, so you can jump over there and read what other people have said about it and pick it up for yourself if you're interested. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.